Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at cryptocurrency custody solutions, safeguarding digital assets in a secure environment. 1. Introduction. Importance of custody solutions. As the adoption of cryptocurrencies grows, the need for secure storage and management of digital assets becomes paramount. Cryptocurrency custody solutions offer institutional and individual investors peace of mind by providing secure storage, seamless management, and protection against theft or loss of assets. 2. Types of custody solutions. Hot wallets. Hot wallets are online wallets connected to the internet, allowing for quick and convenient access to funds. While convenient for frequent transactions, they are susceptible to hacking and cyber attacks. Cold storage. Cold storage refers to offline storage solutions, such as hardware wallets or paper wallets, which store private keys offline, significantly reducing the risk of hacking or unauthorized access. Custodial services. Custodial services are offered by third-party providers, such as exchanges or financial institutions, who hold and manage cryptocurrencies on behalf of clients. These services often include insurance, compliance, and regulatory oversight. 3. Security measures. Multi-signature authentication. Multi-signature wallets require multiple private keys to authorize transactions, adding an extra layer of security and reducing the risk of single-point failures. Hardware security modules, HSMs. HSMs are specialized hardware devices used to securely store and manage cryptographic keys, providing tamper-resistant protection against unauthorized access or tampering. Offline storage. Cold storage solutions keep private keys offline, disconnected from the internet, minimizing the risk of cyber attacks, hacking, or unauthorized access by malicious actors. 4. Institutional custody solutions. Regulatory compliance. Institutional custody solutions often comply with regulatory requirements and industry standards, providing institutional clients with confidence in the security, transparency, and legality of their cryptocurrency holdings. Insurance coverage. Some institutional custody providers offer insurance coverage to protect clients' digital assets against theft, loss, or cyber attacks, providing an additional layer of protection and peace of mind. 5. Self-custody solutions. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that securely store private keys offline, providing users with full control and ownership of their cryptocurrency holdings. Paper wallets. Paper wallets are physical documents containing printed or written private keys, providing a simple and cost-effective way to store cryptocurrencies offline. 6. Challenges and considerations. Regulatory uncertainty. Regulatory uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrency custody solutions may create challenges for institutional adoption, as institutions seek clarity on compliance requirements and legal liabilities. Operational risks. Operational risks, such as human error, technical failures, or physical damage to storage devices, can pose threats to the security and integrity of cryptocurrency custody solutions. 7. Future trends. Institutional adoption. Continued institutional adoption of cryptocurrency custody solutions is expected, driven by growing investor demand, regulatory clarity, and the emergence of secure and compliant custody services. Technological innovations, advances in cryptography, blockchain technology, and cybersecurity will drive innovation in cryptocurrency custody solutions, enhancing security, scalability, and usability. 8. Conclusion. Critical role of custody solutions. Cryptocurrency custody solutions play a critical role in safeguarding digital assets, providing investors with secure storage, regulatory compliance, and peace of mind. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem continues to evolve, custody solutions will adapt and innovate to meet the evolving needs of institutional and individual investors, enabling broader adoption and integration of digital assets into traditional financial systems.